So some touches that I've been slacking on the wagon. I finally hooked up the rear fog. Got that wired in. You guys can kind of see it. I'll show it at nighttime better. Now I'm going to do the rear wiper delete because I don't really like how that looks. Should have been done it, but today's the day. I fucked up. I assumed, I don't know why I assumed that it was the same like as the RSX, but it's a lot smaller. You can see the green is the hole that's in my glass, and then how big this plug is. I was gonna try to shave it down, but I'm just gonna take a measurement and see exactly what size the hole is. You can see the rear fog wired up. I think it looks super good. It's so bright, and obviously I put it on the left side because it's left-hand drive. So it's basically like OEM. Definitely good. Reflects a lot. All right, so I finally received new wiper deletes for the wagon. So before I start my day, that's what I'm gonna do. Gonna install it real quick because it should be the right size, unlike the wrong ones that I ordered last one. I just gotta clean this up, obviously, but that cleans up easy. But I did spray the inside with some alcohol. I'll do it again, actually, to make sure that we get all the dirt and stuff out and get this a good surface to glue on. So you see how this works is basically just a plug. This is a cover, it's black. It goes there, and then it also brings the glue that you use. So it's gonna be nice and easy. So I'm gonna stick this on and show you guys how it looks. So you guys can see, now it just looks basically like a piece of glass. Obviously you can see the circle, but I think it looks a lot better like this than with the wiper regardless. At least that's done finally because I had this whole mess in the wagon, the trim and all that stuff out, so I can finally put it back together. So today we have more mods for Gabe's TSX wagon. Finally, it's gonna have the facelift that it needs. And we're gonna be swapping the headlights because he finally received those. Got new fog lights since these are kind of foggy. Got new ones that are LED, and got the new front grille. He also has the front lip, but those have to get paint matched, but we'll mock it up, make sure it fits good. So let's watch Gabe work. So the new headlights gonna be, these are OEM, obviously. New headlights are the JDM ones with a clear corner, has a city light that we're gonna maybe wire up, not sure. So we just got this down like this, we can take the headlight down that way. And then the new fog lights, since those are ugly, I'm just gonna swap them through here. I should be able to reach it. So this is the new fogs. You see this one is integrated LED, fresh lens. This is the old ugly halogen. You could switch it to LED, but the lens was already fucked up. So new one should look super, super good. You can see the new fog light. Obviously the angle is to the floor, but LED, old. And the new one, we need to get a new side bulb because that one was burnt. And then the old halogen bulb, so you can see the difference mainly in the fogs. The only thing Gabe has to buy is new bulbs for the corner because of their halogen, and the OEM one brings like the normal color. They're not amber or anything, like amber coated. Since the headlight itself is amber lens, so I don't know if he's gonna go with amber or LED, but that's the only bulb that he has to buy. So we totally forgot, we're doing the front grille, right? We're like, let's not take off the bumper fully. We can just do the fog lights, headlights, stuff like that. We forgot the grille has clips in the bottom of it. So, of course, instead of taking off the full bumper, we're gonna try to do this a shortcut way and take the clips off through here. How's it going?
Easy.
Got it? All right. No broken clips?
The moment you start recording is when
I was gonna say, it looked like he's struggling right now. All right, last clip, last and final clip. See if we can do a 4 for 4 with no breaking. Okay. That's it. So I think it just pulls straight out now. It should just pull straight out. Oh, there's two screws, Yeah.
Oh.
OEM grill out. No grill.
Okay, so we have the last fog light left.
Shit has been annoying.
It has been annoying.
You know why it's been annoying?
Because we didn't take the bumper off.
Literally.
We tried to do this the easy way and it came out the hard way. So if you guys are doing this, just take everything off. It's a lot easier. Tried to be lazy and ended up doing twice the work. Gotta get new bulbs, as Lisa mentioned. Lisa recommended these fog lights. Let's see if I actually like him.
You like me?
Like him. Like them. old
Well,
raggedy
regardless, if you don't like them, they look better than this shit.
Yeah.
OEM, bro. This is like an OEM Honda, new Honda shit.
Honda Access. Got it.
I wish you could, I wish we could record better, you guys, but, you know.
I don't know what that means. Just trying to make fun of my recording.
No. It's just because we didn't take the bumper off. It's because we didn't take the bumper off.
I don't know how to record. It's
You're
fine,
perfect. You're perfect. Is that what you want to hear?
I like these headlights a lot, even though I prefer the one he has. But since we're going for a JDM calm OEM plus look, which is basically how I would look in Japan. So yeah. Speaking of Japan and Japanese wagon, little sneak peek. If you know, you know. It's crazy, right? Because we have all the tools to take off the bumper. We have lifts, and yet we're here.
Backyard shit.
How to stay humble.
You know what it is? Sometimes, since we get so accustomed to the lifts and the comfort, and we're like, how did we used to do this? Let's do it on the floor to remember. To remember. You gotta remember where you came from.
But our backs were actually better then than now.
Yeah, because my back is fucking killing me.
So now we're just gonna put this back together and test fit the lip, and we should be good for now.
So new JDM headlights, new LED fogs, new grille with the H. So it's slowly becoming an Acura Tourer. This angle right here look fire, I'm not gonna front. So, Gabe, and everybody comes to the agreement. We thought so Gabe got the whole housings, all 4 lights for the JDM ones, right? We only changed the outers, and for some reason it seemed like the inners were a tad bit lighter. So we were like, let's just put the new inners that came with the JDM tail lights, right?
First of all, it's a whole project to take this damn tail light off.
The proper way
It's to remove this whole trunk thing.
is removing this
I don't
bottom.
know why Acura thought that was a smart idea, unless it's stupid. Anyway, point is, we did all this work, and then after we're about to be done to swap it, we realized that it's exactly the same. So it was a waste of time, but I remember that Lisa had rewired and done some custom stuff to have a rear fog light like his. So I said, we're already here, we already struggled, we might as well make it worth it.
We've been doing this party for like the past 30 to 40 minutes.
So now we're gonna put this tail light back in. That looks exactly like the one I took out, but we'll have a rear fog light. So I guess it's worth for something.
We didn't do all the work for nothing. So we're gonna put all the 8s back. There was a couple 8s.
Couple?
Just a couple.
6,000 each.
And then all the trim pieces back, obviously. And then wire the fog light. Probably gonna wire the fog light how I did mine, which is just when the parking light is on, the fog light is on. It's the easiest way. You don't have to run a switch. It's like if you have the rear fog, you're gonna have it on anyway, right? So what's the point of a switch? So we're gonna wire it that way. The wagon for today is all done. We did the front end, you guys saw. We put the new rear fog. And next is the front lip, the skirts, and all the paint work that it needs. So this is OEM, how it looks. Oh, wow, nigga, there's a bolt burnt here. What the fuck? There you go. So this is how it is OEM. USDM, just the tail lights. And then what we did, we modded this one so that it can have a rear fog. So there we have the fog light on the left-hand side because left-hand drive. Gabe wants to do both of them, but not a task for today. But right now, you guys can see how bright the rear fog is. So now it's the same as mine. So the wagon is here, gonna get the whole rear end painted, and then the whole, basically fenders, the whole nose is gonna get painted because we wanted that car to be mint. It had a little bit of stuff, didn't need to be fully repainted, but this is better. It makes the car look perfect.